Hello, Pisces. Hello, hello, and welcome to a reading with Minnowfoot Tarot. First of all, I'd like to say that whoever's energy this is right here, either you or somebody on your mind, there is going to be, some life changing going on here. I mean, it's fated. It's going to happen, and it's going to come in swiftly here. So make sure you buckle up because it's going to get a little crazy. Tower moments they're hard, but they always bring about change that is needed. Because perhaps we're not being the best that we can be. And, the universe and God wants us to be better. I pulled this oracle card here. Oh gosh, the glare. Your life does not get better by chance. It gets better by change. And, that's definitely the truth. All right. Here we have the Hermit. And the Four of Pentacles and the Wheel of Fortune. Somebody knows inside themselves that they are, really focused on what they can attain. They're holding on to an idea about money is happiness. But that needs to change because all it's brought about is disappointment. Perhaps every, money-making scheme ends in disappointment. Or perhaps somebody here sees that, this kind of life isn't the way to be. Money isn't everything. Coming in quickly to bring balance to the situation with this Temperance card here will be a Tower moment. There will be justice. And this Eight of Cups with the Nine of Cups and the Judgment card here. There's going to be, a serious judgment maybe in some kind of legal situation, whether it be a marriage or a connection, but it appears that somebody was stepping out and getting their own wish fulfillment here. They were having they were finding their own happiness wherever. It looks like, with these cards here, the Knight of Cups, the Page of Wands, and then the Four of Wands here. It looks like a couple times this happened. Maybe more, with all these offerings here and the walking away. And all these cups, this person may have been in and out of your life, or you may have been in and out of their lives, offering up these, new beginnings with this connection here. Maybe stepping outside of a previous connection. That Page of Wands is looking up at that Judgment, knowing that you're not doing something right. We have the Strength, the King of Pentacles, and then the Seven of Swords. So I feel here in this last row that this person is, they're having strength, trying to, put on this persona here, where they're successful and, they know what they're doing, they know what they want, they have all this abundance, but I think internally that may not be the case. At the bottom of the deck was the Ace of Wands, and at the split is the Magician. So that's definitely that there's going to be a new beginning, and this person here is got everything that they need to, change the way things are working out for them. But with these cards here, no matter what, this person isn't going to be able to escape, this judgment, this change, that's meant to bring balance to their lives. They know that the way they are living their life isn't what's best, but it seems like they just can't help themselves. They just, maybe very young, they came up with this idea that, or were taught that, money is everything, or perhaps, they've always had a vision of success since they were young and have had many chances at it, but it always ended up in some kind of maybe deceit. Maybe they felt backstabbed, bad business deals, getting in with bad partners. But definitely change is coming, and it's coming in soon. There's a lot of fire energy here. Leo, Sagittarius, Aries. With these cards here. For some of you, this may happen during the summertime. For some, not till late November, December. This Tower moment here. Again, with this Justice card, it could talk about, a legal situation with a business partner, like we were talking about earlier, or it could talk about somebody you are legally bound to that you are stepping out on, or thinking about stepping out on, to find your own happiness. But, we can't do things that we're not supposed to do. And usually, karma here. I mean, this may be a karmic cycle that, is coming to an end here. It's something you need to learn by looking inside yourself. Realizing something, manifesting a new path. Because it doesn't really speak of, good feelings and good behavior here. So, I hope this helps somebody, resonates with somebody. And, a new beginning is on its way. So have faith that you will definitely be able to get through it. You have all the tools that you need, or they have all the tools that they need, for this to happen. You just got to do some soul searching. Make sure you're living the path that is, truest to who you are, truest to your inner angel there. The healthiest path for you. So, all right, Pisces. Until next time, please like, share, subscribe. Any of that would be good. I'd appreciate it. All right, thank you.